then New York.
Getting us from Boston to Philly was late, so missed my 2 o'clock bus in New York. On the 3 o'clock bus headed to Philly, and starving, but made it. Cruise on the way. Almost there. Almost there. So my truck is too big to fit in the vending machine. So she's gonna get a different vehicle so I'll be able to have the vending machine experience. But my truck is right out there. Whatever, I just want it. So it goes down here. I think it's a G. Had a long trip, but it's all worth it. I am in my new F-150 tow package. It's actually got a lot of packages. It's got the XLT Chrome package. It's got the 3.5 liter twin turbo. So we're talking like 360 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque. Carvana, I want to say thank you to Carvana. My truck wouldn't fit into the vending machine. We did get to see it. The attendant, I apologize, I forget your name. She was great. She got a vehicle down so that we could see it and experience it. It's a pretty cool thing, and I'll show you on a different video. This truck is spotless. So Carvana gave me this, which is awesome. This truck is spotless. There is no rust anywhere on this vehicle. It's kind of too good to be true. So My first trip in it is in a hurricane. We got a ways to go. So this is not how I wanted to drive my new truck home. I did not feel like driving in a torrential downpour. It's about 5 hours home. I don't even know if you can see me because it's so dark, but it's about 5 hours home. I'm getting, see that? I'm getting 20 miles to the gallon, a full tank. It had a full tank. I gotta shout out Carvana again. Truck had a full tank. It was detailed. They gave me that water bottle, and they are mailing me floor mats. I mean, the truck feels new. The truck feels brand new because of the detail and all of that. And I'm just pleased. I'm actually like, I mean, it sounds weird because it may sound weird because this is 2013. You know, with 79,000 miles on it, but this is pretty much my dream truck. I've been thinking about this truck for like 2 years, and I actually have this truck on my vision board. I have this truck on my wall, and I look at it every night before I go to bed and when I wake up in the morning. Now it's on a vision board, so there's other things on that vision board, but scratching one off the list is pretty high up there.